Welcome back. The one way to cross-post your content is to use Amazon KDP. And in Amazon KDP, there are two avenues for you to use. One way to very easily use the Amazon platform is to use Kindle Vella. And with Kindle Vella, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating specific episodes that you're going to publish on a regular basis for readers to use tokens to get access to. To do that, you're going to come into your Kindle Vella library and you're going to start a story. Now you're going to identify your story and you're going to create the context for the content that you're going to be publishing. You're going to need a 16 by 1600 image. You're going to select a specific category. If you're going to choose nonfiction, you can then select a secondary category. You can give your content tags. And you can then begin to create stories on a regular basis that you are going to make available to people in order to read with the Kindle Vella portion of their account. And basically, you'll be creating new episodes in order to make available on the Kindle Vella platform. Now, each episode is going to be between 600 and 5,000 words. And you can upload your content using a doc or docx file. You can also determine how many tokens are going to be needed for an individual in order to unlock your specific episode. Now, if you'd like to determine how you're going to position your content, you can use your favorite search engine to search for Kindle Vella, and you'll want to go through the Kindle Vella area so that you can decide on how you're going to publish your specific episodes. Now, as of the recording of this video, Kindle Vella publishing is only available to individuals that reside in the US and publish stories in English. An important thing to note is that you don't need to unpublish your Kindle Vella story in order to publish your story in a longer form ebook, paperback, or hardcover book for the KDP platform. You do need to let people know in your KDP publication that the story is available also in Kindle Vella or was available in Kindle Vella, depending on how you're going to do it. Now, as an author, you are going to have an author profile available to use on Amazon, and this will be valuable in terms of getting attention for your blog. You'll be able to customize your profile here in this area with any other publications that you have on Amazon. You'll have an author page URL which you can set if you've not already set it. Most importantly, what you can do is you can add in RSS feed from blogs that you manage. And you can click this area that says Manage Blog Feeds. And this is where you will add new feeds. And you're going to place your RSS feed here in this dialog box to make it available on your Amazon platform. And it's in your Amazon author bio where individuals will have access to your blog posts. So as you write Kindle content that people are reading, they will have the opportunity to see your other written content available on your blog. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.